Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today's recipe is mutabbak. Let's start. I took one egg. I'm gonna add salt according to your taste, and I'm gonna add green chili. I took one green chili, and I'm gonna mix it all. Beat it. Okay, I kept the flame on 6. Okay, and I took 2 tortilla. I'm gonna add cheese. I took mozzarella cheese, cheesy cheese. Another tortilla. Then I'm gonna cover this. Okay, so I'm just gonna press down and check if it's done. Okay, it's almost done. I'm just gonna flip it now. And cover. I kept on a low flame. It's all done. Look, I'm pressing down. The egg is not coming on, so it's all cooked. Let's dish out. So I'm gonna add lemon juice. And I cooked for like 5 minutes on medium heat and 5 minutes on low flame. So just it's like total 10 minutes. So it's all done. Enjoy. Allah Hafiz.